Starting a YouTube channel without showing your face can be tricky, but I've made countless of videos and I've grew my account to over 3,000 subscribers without even showing my face. So what is my secret? So the first thing that I want to go over is niche. And niche is very important because you can either go for a smaller niche and then sell more specific products, or you can target a bigger niche, which will then get you a lot more views and you can be quicker monetized. So here are some of my favorite niches that you can pick from. And my channel, for example, it's in a pretty small niche, but it's an easy niche to get loyal followers and start selling your own products, as I have done. So you have two options: views or more active subscribers. Also, make sure to find a niche that lets you monetize your channel. Some clip pages, for example, might get you copyright claimed, or like a music reaction channel. Alright, so let's move on. This next step is very important, and that is to build a high retention rate. And that basically just means that people are watching your video from start to end. And this is crucial to have the first 20 to 30 seconds filled with action. So you need a good intro with a good and solid hook that catches their attention. But it's important that it does not reveal the fix for the problem. So therefore they will stay and wait for a solution to their problem. I am an editor, and what I like to do is fast-paced editing. And what I do is that I make fast cuts every 3 to 5 seconds. This will keep them on their toes the entire time and create higher chances of a good retention rate. And a little bonus tip from me is that you should match your content with your thumbnail. If those does not match, people will really quickly just press off your video. And I like to keep my thumbnails, pretty simple, but you need to make them flashy. Add some glow, some good text, and just make it look, very modern. So yeah, keep your thumbnail and your content matching. And this step is the most important part: value. Before you get to creating a video, type out what is the goal with your video, and then let the viewer know that they will get some sort of value out of this video. This can also be a free resource or a Discord community. The trick here is to keep this value free, so they feel stupid if they miss out on it. A tip for the algo is to make the viewer comment on the video to be able to get the free value. So you're basically just tricking them to, comment, which then makes the algorithm send your video out to a lot more people. So this is a pretty basic intro to what you need to know on how to create a faceless channel on YouTube. If you join my Discord, I will keep posting some tips. And I'm also thinking of maybe producing an in-depth course on my production process. So please type in the comments if you would be interested in that. This has been Jonus Tech, and as always, have a great rest of your day. Peace.